Using marijuana for medicine is still hard for people to get their head around. But Harvest Medicine's clientele list is growing rapidly, and it's not primarily young people walking through the door.
Clinic, we tend to find a lot of elderly people coming in, mainly for chronic pain, because when you get older, of course, the bones start to deteriorate a little bit, and so a lot of people with arthritis and whatnot are coming in to get some daytime relief with CBD. Especially, we do get some people in for sleep aid and whatnot. That's when the THC kicks in, of course. You want to use that for getting to sleep a little better, staying asleep as well. So we definitely have a lot of people coming in for mainly chronic pain, definitely a lot of sleep issues. We have a few cancer patients, a few MS patients, and they all get a lot of relief, especially from the CBD.
There are two types of products available from the federal government, and those are edible oils and dried herbs. The quality is guaranteed to be high.
There's a lot of stigma around cannabis, especially when it comes to quality control. However, you're guaranteed to get the highest quality control out of these LPs. They are, held to a very high standard by the federal government, and so you know that you're getting the best quality cannabis that money can buy at this point in time.
Adam, a patient himself, is a big supporter of medical cannabis and what the different strains do to the body.
Well, I myself am a patient. I actually use CBD during the day in order to counteract things like pain, inflammation, anxiety, things of that nature, anything to do with the body. CBD can take care of without any psychoactive effects whatsoever. So it's great to use for during the day. And that's really why I support it, is because it can be used as a medicine for many different reasons, and many different people can get lots of relief from this stuff. The strains can be basically bred to include THC or CBD. When you think about the mind, THC affects the mind for the most part. CBD is going to affect the body. So a lot of the time people kind of associate sativas with more of a mind, sort of high or something like that, or the euphoria that you can feel from the THC. Of course, it's more of an uplifting type thing. When you have an indica, of course, those are mainly used for sleep aid, rest, relaxation. They're going to have a different terpene profile that sort of gears you towards sleep and rest and whatnot.